Hello world! Welcome back to the Intro to Python series. In this video, we will be covering membership operators in Python 3. Membership operators look for membership in a sequence of values or variables like strings or lists. Python has two membership operators, in and not in. The in operator returns true if it locates an occurrence of a value or variable in a particular sequence. Let's start by defining a string variable and assigning it to I like almonds. Now let's test to see if the letter O is in the string. True is returned because the character O exists at least once in our variable. Now let's try testing for the substring almo. True is returned again because the in operator can also locate substrings within a string variable and not just single characters. Now let's see what happens if we check for a Z character which does not exist in our test string. False is returned because the character Z is not present in our string variable. The not in operator does the exact opposite of the in operator. It checks to see if a value or variable does not exist in a specific sequence, and it returns true if it does not find the value or variable. So, let's check for Z again, but let's use the not in operator instead of the in operator this time. True is returned because Z is not present in our string variable. The not in operator is verifying that Z does not exist in our string variable. Now let's look for the character O again, using the not in operator this time. False is returned because O does actually exist in our string, as we proved with the in operator, and thus the not in operator returns false if the pending value is found in the string. Let's use both operators again, but using a list of strings rather than just one string. This is just to demonstrate the wide utility that the membership operators can provide. Let's define ourselves a list of 4 strings. Now let's see if almonds is among the strings in the list we defined. And while we're at it, let's see if peanuts is also within the list. We see that almonds return true because it's in the list, and peanuts return false because it's not in the list, as determined by the in operator. Let's now test the reverse, if almonds is not in the list, and if peanuts is not in the list. We see that almonds return false because it is in the list, and peanuts return true because it is not in the list, as determined by the not in operator. And we're done scripting for this video. If you enjoyed the content discussed in this video, please drop a like and subscribe to show your support and help the YouTube algorithm to better interpret the channel. Stay tuned for more videos, and please provide any feedback, good or bad, we don't discriminate, in the comments section down below. Have a nice one.